Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a super easy side dish or snack depending on your mood. It's just my roasted tomato and corn salad. So for this you need some sweet corn, some grape tomatoes, salt, olive oil, feta cheese, and an onion. So go ahead and spread out your corn, toss in some olive oil, and spread it out on a cookie sheet. It's gonna get super nice and roasted, and it's just gonna turn this beautiful like golden color whenever it's done. I just use frozen corn, but you can of course use fresh corn if you want. But I go ahead and season it with about a teaspoon of salt, a tablespoon of olive oil. Mix it all up. And you want to make sure it's spread nice and thin so that way it gets as even as possible crispiness. And shake it out, just spread it out across the tray. And then you're going to want to slice up your onion. Just make it like super thin, half moon slices like this. And then go ahead and sprinkle it with olive oil and salt and put it on a different tray with your grape tomatoes. And then you're going to roast them for about 10 or so minutes. And then meantime, get your dressing together. I'm using just a tablespoon of mayo and a tablespoon of sour cream. This is elote inspired. So it's just a really nice creamy dressing. And I just love that flavor combination too. And you don't need a lot, just enough to kind of coat the corn and tomatoes. And here is the corn whenever it's nice and roasted, toasted. And it makes the entire kitchen smell like popcorn, and it is amazing. But here it is. You see some pieces are crispier than others, but that'll give you a nice different array of texture. Ooh, it's still bubbling. And this is just a good way to eat frozen corn, by the way. And then here are your tomatoes. They stay in for the same amount of time, and they are nice and wrinkly and bursted. And the onions are also nice and soft too, because you want them to be nice and sweet and soft whenever you eat them. So here we go. And then you're going to want to dump both of these into about a medium-sized bowl. And now you're going to want to add your dressing that you made. Again, just sour cream and mayo. It creates a really nice creamy dressing, and if your veggies are seasoned all the way, you shouldn't need to add salt or anything. Go ahead and just put your amount in there. As you can see, it's only like a few tablespoons. And stir it all up. And as you stir, the grape tomatoes will pop and just give another delicious layer of flavor. And now add your feta cheese. This is just to taste, but I like how salty it is, and it really kind of works with your salad. And if you want to go more elote inspired, go ahead and use cotija cheese, and that's delicious. And once you stir it all up, you have this gorgeous side dish or just snack. You can eat it with chips or with a spoon like I did, but it's a really nice light salad to have, especially on a summer day. But here you go. I hope you enjoy.